Salutations friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fragrance haul. I'm going to share with you the newest fragrances I purchased to add to my collection. So if you'd like to know what those are, then keep watching. Now, I purchased all of these but like two, and one of them was sent as a gift and one of them was a gift from my mom. So I have about 24 bottles of various products, mini bottles, body mists, full bottles of fragrance. So I'm going to share them with you guys. And the reason why I'm doing this video like a week earlier than I normally would is because I'm not expecting any more fragrances to come into the mail. I don't have any other purchases. And I am itching to finish reorganizing my cabinet. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, there's like holes everywhere. I am in the middle of a major reorganization of my fragrances, and after this reorganization, I'm probably not going to do it again until I build my custom cabinets, which hopefully will be started in the next few months. So I'm itching to put these away. So that's why, oops, as I kick things, that's why I'm doing this early. I don't have anything coming, and I want to put these away because with any new fragrance that I purchase, I wait until I film my haul video before I put them away, and I really want to put these away. So we're going to start with the body mists first, and then we're going to move into the larger, more juicy fragrances. I'm going to start off with just two little mini bottles. I have a little mini bottle of Kate Spade and a little mini bottle of Flower Bomb Dew from Viktor and Rolf. I love mini perfumes, and yes, I do consider them as full bottles as a part of my haul. I also got this body oil. I love body oils. This is from Herbivore and it's jasmine. It's so pretty. I love body oils a lot, like a little bit more than I should. So excited to have those. So now we have my body mists, and around summertime or right before summer, I usually go on a body mist buying spree. There we go. And not a lot. I don't wear a lot of body mists, but I do like them, especially when it's hot and humid. So summertime, I get excited. So I got these two from Pacifica. This is Sage Me and High Vibrations. I do own the perfume versions of this, but I really like the body mist from Pacifica. I think they're fantastic. So I have those. My mom actually bought me, she surprised me with a bottle of the Paris Hilton South Beach. Now the perfume version of this, I forget if it's an eau de toilette or an eau de parfum, is fantastic for humidity. It's a great fragrance I love wearing, and in the summertime it is one of my most worn scents. So I thought it was cute that she sent me a bottle of this, and by sent I mean she's in another room, she ordered it and had it shipped here. So I think it's cute and I'm excited to wear it. I found at TJ Maxx for $5 a Derek Lam fragrance mist. This is in Silent Street. That's my favorite fragrance from Derek Lam, and one of the first fragrances I ever reviewed on my channel. And then the last body mist, this is from Mix Bar. This is Tangerine Squeeze. I will be reviewing the entire line. I just have to purchase Cloud Musk. I haven't ordered it online. I haven't seen it at my local Target, so I'm just waiting. But I do own all the others, and I do really like them. And Tangerine Squeeze was the one that I thought would be the best as a body mist, so I decided to pick it up. I think it was like $15, $10. It wasn't that expensive, and it's a nice little addition into my small but substantial body mist collection. So those are the body mists. Now we're gonna go into the perfumes. I'm not exactly sure what brand this is. I will obviously link all of the fragrances below, list them all below. I got this when I was doing some Mother's Day shopping at Anthropologie, and it was on sale for like 10 bucks, and I sprayed it and I really liked it, so I figured 10 bucks. It's Palm. I'll figure out what brand it is and I'll list it below. It's just bright and floral and sweet and just really nice, like just a nice, unassuming, easy to wear scent. And for 10 bucks, I figured why not. I also recently repurchased Clinique Happy. This is probably one of my most worn fragrances my entire life. I pretty much lived in this. Middle school and in high school, I wore it a lot too. It's just a very happy fragrance, obviously. Just a very happy fragrance, obviously, for the name. I just always enjoyed it. And I had like a small bottle of it, but I wanted a big bottle for a while, and it was Ulta's Fragrance Crush, so I figured I'd purchase it, get the points because I've been meaning to buy it anyway, and I'm happy to have it in my collection again. I do wear that one a lot. So this first fragrance, or well, not first, but first of the fragrances that I have is one that I've been lusting after for a long time, and I'm gonna mispronounce it. I've literally listened to the French translation of this like forever, and my tongue, my mouth is not good at French. And it's Iris de Joms from, I know I did that so bad, I'm so sorry, from Hubigant. As a lover of iris, this is such a beautiful, gorgeous fragrance. It's sweet, it's floral, it's powdery, and there's just something about this that is so special. This is one of the more challenging iris fragrances to wear, in my personal opinion, because it is so heavily powdery and there's that sweetness in there that kind of pulls like lipsticky or makeup. This doesn't smell like that, but it kind of mimics it. And I know that I'm not doing this beautiful fragrance justice, but it has that kind of beautiful touch of sweetness, the florals, the powdery, the iris. It's so beautiful. It's also very bright in the opening, and it's just something that I love. So this is a fragrance that I've been meaning to add to my collection for a very long time. I finally bit the bullet and bought it, and I'm very, very happy. It is a gorgeous scent. Another classic fragrance that I've been meaning to add to my collection for a very long time is from Guerlain, and it's Mitsuko. This is the newer formulation. I am looking to purchase older formulations and vintages of this. I haven't owned this in a bottle. I have had it in decants, and it's something that I love. Again, this is another beautifully timeless and elegant and very mature fragrance, and I really love those. And this is just really, really beautiful. So speaking to more mature classic compositions and powdery fragrances, I picked up 3 fragrances from Royal Crown. I went a little ham on them this month. First one is Powder de Fleur. I think I mispronounced that. Again, I'm really bad at French. And this is beautiful. This is a very, very deeply powdery fragrance. It's beautiful. There's this kind of briny saltiness to it. And then you've got this beautiful powder, these gorgeous florals. It's a bit resinous. It is so sophisticated and so beautiful. If you like those more classic, mature, timeless, elegant compositions and you love powdery florals, give this one a try. It is magnificent. I am so in love with it. The other 2 I haven't tried on my skin yet, but I just picked them up because I found them for a good price. This is Tenebrae, which is actually really pretty too. It's a little bit sweeter and lighter. However, I haven't worn this on my skin, so I can't let you know exactly how I feel. And then the other one is also Reflection. This one smells nice on a strip. I just haven't smelled it on my skin yet. So these are the 3 from Royal Crown that I picked up, and I need to at least get Oud Jasmine, and I think I'd be happy, but I do really love Royal Crown fragrances. The ones I've tried have been excellent. I know that they are a very pricey brand. Even finding them at discounts, you're paying $300 to $500 for them. They are very pricey, but I do love the quality of the scents from the fragrances I've tried. So I am happy to have these in my collection. I do really love them. Specifically, Powder de Fleur. I can't say French, I'm so sorry. I try, you guys. But they're great. They're worth the money in my opinion, and I don't mind investing in fragrances that I enjoy. I did pick up 2 fragrances from Rook. I'm going to be reviewing these soon. These were purchases. I have Undergrowth and Amber. I've been meaning to give this house a good try for a while, so I'm excited to have these. I have Overt from Gallagher. I did a review of this. If I have reviews of any of these fragrances, I will list them below. I might have a review of some of them. This was the one that was sent to me as a gift from Gallagher. I love this so much. It's going to be one of my most worn fragrances this summer. I'm guaranteeing it. I've been wearing it a lot. The same day I got Silent Street, I also ran into these 2 bottles from Mansera at TJ Maxx. And one of them was one that I've been meaning to buy because I love it. And the other one I've tried in passing and enjoyed it, and I figured I'd just pick it up. So the first one we have is Roses Greedy, and then we also have Gold Intensive Oud. So I have these 2 new fragrances from Mansera. Love Rose is Greedy. I've worn this a few times since I've got it and really like it too, but haven't reviewed it yet. So just 4 more fragrances left. The first purchase of the month was actually this. And this is Coco Mademoiselle the Eau de Toilette from Chanel. I've been meaning to get this. I love the Eau de Toilette version. It's light, it's pretty, it's airy. It still smells very feminine and very sexy. So I'm happy to have this. So this next one is the Eau de Toilette version of Libre. I love Libre. I love Intense. I love the OG, and the Eau de Toilette's really beautiful. I love the addition of the white tea note in here. Really lightens it up and makes it more youthful and a little bit more modern. And I purchased this because I wanted to review it for you guys and I wanted to add it to my collection. And then I finally picked up a bottle of L'Eau à la Rose from Francis Kurkdjian. It's been a long time since I've added a bottle from Francis Kurkdjian to my collection. So really excited it was this one. This is a beautiful fragrance. I really love it. I love all the à la roses, so I'm excited to have that one. And last and certainly not least is a bottle from Atelier des Ors, and it's Musk Immortal. And I will be wearing the heck out of this because it is so pretty. It's so pretty. I love Immortal. And oh, it's just such a gorgeous scent. I'm going to be reviewing this probably in the next week or two. So get excited for that if you wanted to know what I think. Plus the presentation in this is so perfect. I love the presentation from this house. It's just really gorgeous. So this is the last bottle in my collection that I purchased this month. So it's about 24 bottles, give or take, body mists and mini bottles. I hope you enjoyed this haul. So anyway, guys, that is my haul this month. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link all the fragrances below if you want to know what I got, if you didn't want to sit through the video. Obviously, if you got to this point, you've already sat through the video. I will also, if I have any reviews of these fragrances, I will link that below as well. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!